Hello, this is Ian from IDT, and this will be a quick video on how to attach a lens to our Canon electronic control mount. Let's get started. First, line up the red dots on the lens and the lens mount. Push in and keep light pressure on the lens while twisting it clockwise. You should hear a click once the lens is properly in place. Then, turn the lens lock to a 4 o'clock position to fully secure the lens in place. To test the lens connection, connect power to the camera. The lens mount should beep twice if the lens is properly connected. If not, it will have a continuous beep. Please note, it's okay to change lenses while the camera is running. However, if a lens is changed while the camera is on, close and reopen the lens control window by pressing the lens control button in Motion Studio to recognize the new lens. For more detail on the functionality of the Canon electronic control mount, visit the documentation tab at idtvision.com/o-series. Thank you for watching this instructional video.